everyone. Welcome to Gelgoog Research, Development and Manufacturing Center. I'm Michelle. Today we are going to run a live test of our intelligent fruit sorting system by the real fruit. Let's go. After harvest, the processing has been traditionally by labor-intensive. Our machine can start very completely through the weight sorting, the precise optical sorting, the non-destructive internal quality inspection. We help the customers reduce the labor cost, improve the quality consistency, and to achieve the higher value for the premium fruit. Let's take a closer look for the machine. This is where the optical intelligence system comes into action. We use the ultra-high resolution industrial cameras combined with a specifically designed LED lighting system to capture 360-degree full surface data for every single fruit. Our proprietary algorithm analyzes color, size, shape, volume, surface defects, scars, and decay for citrus fruit in particular. It can also detect sunburn and canker lesions. This is a full surface reconstruction system based on distributed multi-angle imaging. The system processes multiple parameters simultaneously, including color uniformity, size, shape, and surface blemishes, all in real time as the fruit moves along the production line. We use a dual sensor 4-point contact wing system, which is fast, stable, and extremely precise. Even under high-speed operation, the system maintains low single fruit wing error and highly accurate grinding performance. This helps customers achieve more consistent size standards and significantly reduce weight-related quality deviations. We developed our own fruit-specific spectrometer, designed for non-destructive internal quality inspection without cutting a single fruit. The system can measure sugar content and detect internal defects such as moldy core, frost damage, hollow core, and water core. The system features a unique optical path design, enabling one device to work across multiple fruit variety, what we call one model, multiple applications. Finally, let's move to the convergence point of the entire system, the discharge section. As fruit pass through the system, they are automatically sorted into multiple grades in real time. Premium fruits with perfect color, accurate weight, clean surface, and high sugar content go directly to fresh fruit packaging. Mid-grade fruits are directed to slicing and drying process. In summary, what you have seen today, it is a full integrated system to combine the automatic weight sorting, the precise optical sorting, the non-destructive internal spectroscopy into one continuous production line. If you would like to discuss how this system can be configured for your specific fruit type, capacity, and the market requirement, our technical team is ready to support you. Thanks for your watching. We're looking forward to cooperate with you. Gelgoog to make the food production simpler and safer.